Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the type of meristem based on their positions. Where they are present, according to that, the meristem are classified as three types: apical meristem, intercalary meristem, lateral meristem. So each meristem they have different functions. So what are the things? What are the functions they are carry out? So these things we are going to study. So this is the stem, the tip of the stem or apex of the stem that we call is a apical meristem. Below the apical meristem, the intercalary meristem are present. After the intercalary, lateral meristem are present. So what are the characters of the apical meristem? What are the functions of the apical meristem? Apical meristems are found at the apex or growing points of root or shoot. So it means apex, it's nothing, the tip of the stem or tip of the root or tip of the shoot. Shoot is nothing, stem and leaf we are called is a shoot. So the apical meristem are present. So wherever the growth is occur, the apical meristem are present. So it always bring the increase of the length. So one more question they may ask: if increase of the length in the plants carried by dash means that's nothing, apical meristem. Next one is the intercalary meristem. It lies between the regions of permanent tissues and is parts of primary meristem. It is found either at the basis of leaf or at the basis of internode. So it very simple. It presents in between apical meristem and lateral meristem. So it presents basis. Basis is nothing in the middle of the leaf as well as internode. We should know that is what you mean by the node. Node is nothing where the leaf or arise from the stem. So in between two node. So in between two leaf, the stem we call is a internode. So internode consists of the intercalary meristem. So they have given the example grasses. Next one is a lateral meristem. These are arranged parallel and causes the thickness of the plants. So it means the thick of the stem it is carried by the lateral meristem. One more question they may ask: what are the functions of the meristem? Meristem actually dividing tissues of the plants that are responsible for the primary and secondary growth of the plants. So elongations, what do you mean by the elongations? Elongation is nothing, increase of the length. So it means that we call elongations. So elongations is always carried by the apical meristem. The secondary growth always is occur in the stem. So that also is carried by the meristem. So these are the main function of the meristem. Thank you.